Your credit card billing zip or postal code is more than just a number. It's a crucial security feature that protects your financial information. The billing zip or postal code is the specific code associated with the address where your credit card statements are sent. This address is registered with your credit card company when you open your account. You can see your billing address, including the zip code, on your credit card statements. This is the address your card company has on file for sending you important account information. Your billing zip code is a crucial security tool used in the Address Verification System, or AVS. This system helps prevent fraud by verifying that the person making a purchase knows the billing address associated with the credit card. The Address Verification System works by comparing the zip code you enter during a transaction with the zip code on file with your credit card company. This comparison happens in real time to help detect potentially fraudulent transactions. Think of your billing zip code as a digital key that helps verify your identity when you make purchases, especially online or over the phone. When you enter this code, it confirms that you have access to the billing information associated with the card. When you update your billing information or make online purchases, you'll often see a dedicated field for your zip or postal code. This field is specifically designed to capture this important security information. Knowing where to find your billing zip code is essential for several reasons. It ensures smooth and secure transactions, protects against unauthorized card use, and is required for most online and phone purchases. Understanding this security feature helps maintain the overall security of your account. Your billing zip code is a simple but powerful security tool that works behind the scenes to protect your financial information every time you make a purchase. Your billing zip code can be found in several reliable locations. Understanding where to look will help you quickly access this important information when making purchases or managing your accounts. The most reliable sources for finding your billing zip code include credit card statements, online banking profiles, mobile banking apps, and your credit card company's account dashboard. Credit card statements are the most reliable source for your billing zip code. Whether you receive paper statements or view them digitally, the billing address section clearly shows your complete address, including the zip code. Digital sources provide convenient access to your billing information. Online banking websites typically store your address in account settings or profile sections. Mobile banking apps usually display this information under account details or profile settings. If you cannot access your primary sources, alternative methods include calling customer service for verification, checking bank account statements, which often show the same address, or reviewing your original credit card application documents. Remember to regularly verify that your billing address information is current and accurate across all your financial accounts. Update your address within 30 days of any move to avoid payment processing issues and ensure your zip code verification works properly.